To add a video to your course on Thinkific, you first need to understand why including videos is beneficial for your online business. Videos can enhance the learning experience for your users, making it easier for them to understand and engage with the course material. The process of adding a video is relatively straightforward and can be handled directly within your Thinkific account. If you're looking to add a video to a new lesson, you can do so by clicking on Add Lesson and then selecting Video. You can choose a video from your existing library or upload a new one from your computer. Once uploaded, the video will be housed within your Thinkific account, eliminating the need to embed codes or links. You can also add text, downloads, or other supporting materials to the lesson as needed. In cases where you have a text-based course and want to insert a video, you can do so by clicking on the Insert Video button within the text editor. This allows you to add a video to an existing lesson, either by selecting one from your library or uploading a new one. Alternatively, you can host your videos on an external platform and link to them within your course. To do this, you can paste the URL of the video into the Insert Video field, or use an embed code to add the video directly to the lesson. Regardless of the method you choose, the end result is the same: a video that is seamlessly integrated into your course, providing a more engaging and effective learning experience for your users. By following these steps, you can easily add videos to your Thinkific course and enhance the overall quality of your online offerings.